Solar panels are a great investment for homeowners and businesses alike as they help save money on energy bills while also reducing carbon footprint. However, in order to ensure that solar panels function effectively and last long, regular maintenance is crucial. Today at EPP Solar, we'll talk about the importance of taking care of your solar panels and how earn money from home. Become a part of our affiliate program. Click on the link in the description to sign up. So, let's dive in. The first and foremost step in maintaining solar panels is to keep them clean. Dirt, debris, and bird droppings can accumulate on the panels over time, which can reduce their efficiency. You can clean the panels using a soft brush or cloth and water. Avoid using abrasive cleaners or hard brushes as they can scratch the surface of the panels. Make sure to clean the panels early in the morning or late in the evening when they're cool to avoid damaging them. The second step in maintaining solar panels is to regularly inspect them for damage. This includes checking for cracks, chips, or any other signs of wear and tear. If you notice any damage, it's important to get it fixed immediately. Small cracks can be repaired using a sealant, but larger damage may require the replacement of the entire panel. The third step in maintaining solar panels is to monitor their performance regularly. This can be done using a monitoring system that tracks the amount of energy generated by the panels. If you notice a significant drop in performance, it could indicate a problem with the panels or the wiring. In such cases, it's important to get them checked by a professional. It is important to ensure that you buy your solar equipment from a reliable supplier who can provide you with assistance whenever you encounter any problems. Lastly, it is important to trim any surrounding vegetation. Trees and shrubs can cast shadows on the panels, which can reduce their efficiency. Additionally, falling leaves and branches can damage the panels. So, it's important to trim any vegetation that's blocking the sun's rays from reaching the panels. Maintaining solar panels may seem like a daunting task, but it's actually quite simple. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your solar panels function effectively and last long.
Are you tired of high electricity bills and a dependency on fossil fuels? Invest in monocrystalline solar panels ranging from 380 to 500 watts, depending on your needs. Our panels are made with the highest quality materials and are designed to last for years. With our panels, you can power your home and reduce your carbon footprint. Installation is easy and hassle-free, and our team is here to help you every step of the way. Don't wait any longer. Invest in a brighter, more sustainable future today with our monocrystalline solar panels. Order now at the best prices available.
It's important to ensure that the panels you're considering purchasing come with a reliable, long-term warranty. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us using the information below. Also, be sure to share this video with your friends and family who already have installed their balcony systems, so they can learn valuable tips and tricks to maintain their assets. You'll be the smarter one for sharing.